Okay, this time we're going to talk about a rigger brush. This is a number 2 from Specialist Crafts. It's quite small and thin, it's very nice to use, it's good to hold. It's a watercolour brush, but you can get these in acrylic and watercolour and oil brushes. So what we've got here is called a rigger, or a fine liner sometimes it's called. It was a brush that was first invented for sign writers, so that they could do fine writing on signs or even on boats, on paintings on boats. So fill your brush up, make sure it's filled right up to the end, and then you can just press it and just flick. So press it down first, and then as you lift it up, just lift the brush up, press, lift, press, lift, and you've got grasses. Yeah. You can just do very thick lines by just evenly pressing all the way down like that. Both. But if you're doing, say, a tree, or so you can just gently flick like that. That's really good. Okay. Curves and pressure. So you're just pressing hard, lifting off for curves. So if you wanted a tulip leaf or something like that, you could just apply pressure at the base of the leaf. So you've got the whole brush down, and then as you come up, lift it up slightly, and then turn, and yeah, so up, down, turn. Okay, so that could be a leaf of a tulip or a daffodil or something like that. Okay, so have some fun with your rigger brush. It's a really nice brush to use, especially with using a variety of pressure. Lots of different curves, shapes can be created. You can of course use it for fine dots as well. Again, applying different pressures will give you different shaped dots. You know, you could put some bulrushes on the end of your grasses. Put a bit of brown on there maybe, like that. See? Okay. Another brush for you to think about possibly purchasing online or whatever. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have fun. Just play around with the brushes rather than thinking I've got to make a finished painting. Just have a play with the marks that you can make with your brushes. Enjoy!